Waruinge has been cleared by Kirinyaga County Security and Intelligence Committee to conduct a 3-day crusade at Kerugoya Stadium this weekend. Waruinge, through the Kerugoya Pastors Forums, had been barred by the Kirinyaga Central Sub-County Commander from conducting the crusade, saying that their letter did not have a letterhead and they did not indicate which denomination inscribes to. Addressing journalists at Kerugoya Stadium, Waruinge dared the police to arrest him and prevent the crusade from taking place, saying that the prayers would go on with or without the authority of the police.
We made the intention to the police station that we are going to have a rally here. Then the OCS Kerugoya instructed us to go to Kutus to meet the sports minister so that he can give us the stadium, so that the police can allow us or can give us the grant that they come to give us security. We notified them. We went to Kutus, we got the letter, and we were given the stadium. Then through the letter we took to the police station, and we found the OCS and the officers in charge, and they also stamped the letter saying that they are going to provide security. They also requested us to pay for the security, which we did, we paid. That's about 10 days ago.
Mimi sioni makosa hapo, lakini nimesema siwezi kufafanua zaidi because unajua mtu hamjaongea na yeye, sasa utasema nini? Kama angekuja ndiye angetueleza zaidi. Hata hiyo barua nasema wako nayo, si hatujaona. Hatujasema haiko, lakini haijatufikia. Pengine wako nayo, pengine hawana. Wakija tutaiona na tunaona ni barua ya aina gani. There are no orders. I want to tell you this. You know, government operate at different levels. Kama kuna mkutano ya sub-county ilifanyika, pia wako na uhuru yao kukaa chini na kujadiliana na kupitisha mambo zao.
We are back again. This is the office of the county commissioner, and we are happy that our prayers have been heard. I think maybe it could have been a mistake or a misunderstanding, but we have resolved. We are with all the leadership, the entire leadership of security, and we had a briefing about how the meeting will be held, the timing of the meeting, and they have no problem with us.
Somaliland is celebrating its 32nd anniversary since regaining its independence